folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya Savanth. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Many of you had requested me to do a simple eye makeup, so today here I am showing you how to create this complete eye makeup using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's super easy and wearable for any Indian occasion. I will guide you through the entire process, including the brush details as well. And let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any particular look for you all. And I know most of you wanted to learn makeup from me. Offline is impossible with the current situation. And so I thought online makeup tutorial with detailed explanation is much better, and the video is there on my channel so that you can refer it anytime. Also, if you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section or DM me personally on Instagram or even message me on the Facebook page. I'm available there. You will find my social link in the description box below. And I post videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, so stay tuned. Without any further ado, let's get started. To conceal my eyelids, I am using Makeup Studio Concealer Palette in EP001. Using small fluffy brush, taking very little amount of concealer because we don't want it to crease. I'm applying concealer all over my eyelids just like this, and I bought this brush from Amazon in the year 2014. We'll put up the link in the description box below. This brush works out best for me, using it from almost 5 years now. To set the concealer, I'm going ahead with translucent loose setting powder from Laura Mercier, using brush from Morphe M573 and just dabbing all over my eyelids so that it gives me a good canvas to do my eyeshadow. Let's start with the colors now. Using brush number M506 from Morphe, I am going to use pink shade called Flamingo from the palette and applying it on my crease area. Now applying the leftover pink shade which was on the brush and just brushing it on my eyelids. For the outer corner, I'm picking up the shade called Man Eater from the brush number M330 from Morphe and applying on the outer area to darken the corner slightly. Next up, to highlight the brow bone, I'm using Moon Dust shade to highlight with Morphe M506 brush for the application. Since the topic for today is rose gold, so I am going with the very popular rose gold shade. It's a pressed glitter and easy to apply. For now, I am going to use a brush from Coastal Scents, or you can apply using finger as well. I will show both the application now. can stop here and apply mascara and finish it, but I am going ahead with L'Oreal gel liner in 01 Profound Black using brush number M2501 from Morphe to give that winged liner. Using my favorite mascara from Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex mascara. You all would have seen me using this mascara in most of my videos. I will now go ahead with fake lashes using pack in number 53. Now just going back and doing the mascara again so that there is no gap between fake lashes and my lashes. Also applying mascara to my lower lashes. So guys, here is the completed look. Hope you all like this rose gold eye makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Also, if you want me to do any particular video, please do comment. Get in touch with me on my social media platform. The link will be given in the description box below. And I drop videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, so stay tuned for more beauty related videos. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.